Good morning, boys and girls. I hope that you all were able to have a great weekend as we had some warm temperatures and sunshine. I hope that you all were able to get out and enjoy the weather with your friends, your family, your neighbors. Have a little fun in the sun because as we go into this chilly Monday, it looks like our warm temperatures will not be with us this week. So, Mrs. E here with Communities and Schools as we get into Lesson 17 of Second Step. This lesson is going to be done in two parts. Today, we're going to be going into part one of solving problems. You, boys and girls, have been learning about how to calm down. Now you'll learn all about solving problems. Now, here's the deal. There are going to be things that happen in life that all fit well together. It works out in our favor. Things are aligning exactly how we need them to. And in those instances, we can just enjoy the time. We can be happy. We can be thankful. We can be grateful. We can be excited. But other times, boys and girls, as we've been learning, as we reviewed a lot of our story and discussion, things will happen not the way that we want them to. Things will not align the way that we expected them to. And so those times, boys and girls, are what we might call a problem. And what we have been learning about how to calm down when those problems occur. Because in order to be able to solve a problem, you also are going to be able to make sure that your strong feelings are under control first so that you can remember when things come up. And remember, our hand is our brain, our thumb is our thinking part, our fingers are our feelings. In order to solve the problem, you're going to need to be able to get those feelings, that distractions out of the way so that you can use your brain to think and solve a problem. Okay, so you'll be learning all about solving problems within the next 2 weeks because remember, there are two parts. To solve a problem, you need to think. Remember that calming down your strong feelings first will help you to think more clearly. I am going to introduce a new poster to you all about solving problems. What are the solving problem steps that you guys see on this poster? We have STEP, and we're going to spell that out. The S is all about saying the problem. And take note of this here, especially without blame. Saying the problem without blame. The T is for thinking of solutions. Take note, safely and respectfully. T is for thinking of solutions. E, explore consequences. What could happen? What are the possibilities? The P, pick the best solution and make your plan. This is all about our problem solving steps, boys and girls. Remember the word step. STEP, which will help you to remember the problem-solving steps. S is for say the problem, T is for think of solutions, E is for explore consequences, P is for pick the best solution. I want you to pause the video here, teachers, and see who remembers, just based on what we reviewed, what the examples are of, or what the descriptions are, of our step, STEP. Who remembers what the S, the T, the E, and the P stands for? Hopefully you guys had your thinking caps on and you were focusing your attention on the poster and you remembered that our S is for solving problems, T is for thinking of solutions, E is for exploring consequences, and P is for picking the best solution. As we get into our brain builder and putting our thinking caps on, I want you guys to pause here and use your step strategies to start discussing typical or common third grade problems. As you all are experienced third graders, what kind of problems have you been experiencing as a third grader? The typical common third grade issues.